Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to do a build on this here 36 Wild One, and I have yet to figure out what it is. If it's a Chevy or a Plymouth, Ford, I have no idea. I'm going to go ahead and start putting all the parts out on the bench here and try and figure it out. If you've seen the unboxing video, you know that my daughter got me this one for Christmas, and so I'm going to go ahead and build it. So let me get all the parts put out and I'll be right back. Well, this should be a pretty quick one here, guys. This is all of the parts right here. The only thing in the box are the instructions and the decals. So this is everything. There's no glass because it's a dirt track car. So I'll go ahead and pull all the parts off the tree and make some paint decisions. Maybe do a little research on these cars, see what exactly is involved with them, and we'll move on from there. See you right back in a minute. Well, that's everything right there, folks. It's only been about 15 minutes since I made the last clip that you watched, and 75 pieces. That's the whole kit and caboodle here. That's everything, including the tires. The only thing not counted is the decal sheet. So alrighty, I get on to trimming the excessive amount of flash off of everything, and in typical MPC quality, the instructions are a bit lacking, but that's okay. This one should go together fairly quickly. Okay, more to come. Well, here we are, folks. This is the body in the paint booth, and if you see all them wonderful runs in the paint, I want you to know that I used Krylon. No runs, no drips, no errors. This paint is garbage when it comes to painting plastic model cars. Now I did prime the pieces that you see here. Okay, I primed them with it. Well, you can't really see it, but I primed them with a gray, which I've never had any issues with at all. But this yellow, it lays down horribly. I don't know how it would work on, well, it says it's for metal, wood, plastic, and more. I've never used it on anything except this kit here, and boy, it's just horrible. I can't believe the poor quality of the paint. So I'm going to spray it with a different color over the top once I clean up all those runs and that. I just thought I'd mention that. You know, I'm sure Krylon's a good company, but I've had way better luck with like Rust-Oleum. But that's just me. Alrighty, thanks again. I'll be right back. Well, so far this kit has been a pleasure to put together. My only real complaint, if you will, is the fact that the steering wheel doesn't line up properly with the seat. It's off to the right, or the seat's off to the left too far. Something. It just seems kind of odd. So if you're going to build one of these yourself, I'd suggest you clip a little bit off of this piece right here, move it over, and add it to the other side of the bar just to kind of straighten it up. Other than that, it's coming along really nice. You know, parts are a little bit small again for my big hands, but you know, that's not the kit's fault. That's my gargantuan hand thing, you know. Alrighty, folks. Next segment will probably be the completion. Be right back. Well, there it is, folks. The 36 Wild One. This was an MPC kit, and surprisingly, everything went together real easy. As always, the instructions were a little vague. But with a little bit of patience, you can figure it out. It was a pleasure to build. I really enjoyed it. It's my first time building a dirt track style vehicle. And again, I still don't know if it's a Chevy, Ford, Plymouth, whatever. It is 427 powered. And there's a shout out to Uncle Mike right there. Alrighty. Well, thank you for joining me. Hope you have a fantastic day. We'll see you on the next one. It's Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.